Welcome to Magesco Garden and Pool Services official YouTube channel. Here we will discuss and show our previous and current projects. Swimming pool accessories and chemicals. Details about plants and more. We will also show you our swimming pool maintenance services, landscape services and home improvement. Magesco Garden and Pool Services is a company that designs and builds swimming pool and landscapes. We also provide swimming pool needs including chemicals and accessories. On top of that we have plants and garden needs for your landscapes and gardens. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Do click on the notification button so that you will be notified for our latest video posts. Follow, like, and share our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.